Hello guys, good morning, Ohayo gozaimasu. Welcome to another episode of Bisaya in Japan. Okay, as I promised, we will look at Gundam Converge Operation Revive. Okay, follow me. Let's do the normal one first. Okay, may go ni. There. Unboxing of Gundam Converge Operation Revive. These are the models inside. Let me see. There. V Gundam Fin Funnel Beam Rifle. RX-0 Unicorn Gundam. Hyaku Shiki. The Jegan, Gundam Exia, and Hyaku Gundam. So this is the box. On top. Side 01 because this is the first Gundam Converge Operation Revive. Back side. There. Side and the front. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, open. No, nanakuha ni. Ito. No, beli Jegan pernah bawa ni. Oh, no. Parts. Oh, that's it. Empty. Okay. So, six kaboksod. Okay, assemble time. Okay, there they are, the 6 Gundam Converge Operation Revive. Now, let's check in detail. First, this is the... What is this? IV Gundam. Okay. There. Alright. Next up, my personal favorite, V Gundam, or we call the new Gundam, RX-93. Nindot. Especially yung funnels, huh? No. Okay. This one is the Hyaku Shiki. Let's have a closer look. Alright. Sunod, Gundam Exia. Right. Okay. Next one is the daghang kaila ni Unicorn Gundam. Okay, closer look. Alright. And last one. Actually, nanakuha ni before the Jegan. Yun na itong detail yung Jegan, no? Okay, that's it. Ito ko ang lineup. Ikan sa Jegan, Unicorn, Exia, Hyaku Shiki, the V Gundam, og Hy-V Gundam. Thank you guys for watching. Wait. Alright. Stay at home because of the coronavirus. Ano na sa balay. Pag duwa mo games, duwa computer, or assemble sa inyong Gundam. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So na kung subscribe ka, dagan-dagan mag video. Okay, thank you to the people na nag-like sa akong previous videos diay, and I hope you guys like this. Bisaya in Japan. May tagmahuman na ning coronavirus. Bye-bye!